Hi, I'm Bybreen Samuels, your tech translator here at the Smart Years, and welcome back to part 7 in my series around tech jobs that are emerging on the horizon. So it seems like the air from the cryptocurrency bubble is slowly being released, and the reason being is because about a year ago, one Bitcoin, for example, was worth about $20,000. A year on, and that price has been reduced to less than $5,000. So at its height, buyers and advocates, they were celebrating the demise of fiat currency. However, with banking critics and government pressure, there's been a turn in those particular fortunes. Unfortunately, for a number of people, they were trapped or they were enticed or they were caught up in the headlines around get-rich-quick schemes that were proliferating around on the net. And so what they did was that they invested their money, they shared their data, and then sooner or later those websites were closed down, and so therefore it became very difficult in order for law enforcement to actually do their job. The Bank of International Settlements have actually described cryptocurrencies as being an environmental hazard, like a Ponzi scheme, as well as being caught up in a bubble. So law enforcement agencies right around the world are having problems with the actual tracking down to investigate these particular crimes, and the reason being is because the identities are hidden behind these digital wallets, so it becomes increasingly more difficult to actually find the perpetrators. Well, here in the UK, the City of London Police Force have actually launched their own course. It's a one-day course called Cryptocurrency for Investigators. So it's a way of educating law enforcement officers so they have an understanding of what cryptocurrency is and how they can actually manage the process of cryptocurrency crime as they're investigating it. And so what we may see is that there's going to be a rise in people who will retrain as these particular types of investigators. They can work within the public sector or within the private sector as a way to track down these particular criminals. And who knows, in the very near future, once this has actually been taken care of, in the very near future, what we'll have is the rise of sentencing assistants. And they are being trialled in courtrooms in China at the moment. So these are robots who analyse the evidence. They then analyse similar previous cases and other data. And as a result of all of this, they synthesise the information and then suggest to the judge the type of sentencing that should be passed for this and any other crime. So if you've got that kind of investigative mind, or you're quite curious and you like a mystery, this could be a role waiting for you to step into. So that's it. If you've got any comments, put them in the comment box below. Feel free to share this episode with anybody in your network, and I will see you on the next episode. Until then, take care. Bye.